It's hard to believe we're actually ready to go.
Are we though?
No.
Are we ever really ready?
No, we're not.
No.
We're not. We feel ready to go though.
No.
This is it. This is the kickoff to season 5. I know a lot of people have really enjoyed the upgrade videos and the modifications. I know other people were like, get back in that RV.
What are you doing?
Go travel. You're not allowed out of the RV. So your wish is true. Your wish has come true. We are now getting back in the RV, and look, we're as excited as everyone else to get on the road and start making travel videos again.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
All right, so we thought we would release a little midweek episode.
Like an update almost.
Pretty much like an update, just covering all the loose ends of our time in Phoenix and getting up to our first destination, and then we'll really be on our way. So we're kind of setting the stage for this Sunday's episode. That's kind of the idea.
All right, well, one of those things we have to go do is send off Victoria Elite.
We do. We need to say, see you soon.
In a little bit.
See you in a little bit.
Let's say that.
I am unpacking all of my things. There happens to be a lot of them.
That's a big closet.
Yes, it is.
What are you gonna do with all that room?
Well, enjoy it. This is a lot of stuff.
This all came from the
I
rig?
know, it all came from my...
Yeah, I was all in my new closets and all underneath the dinette. Tori literally taken most of the RV. Okay.
You know what? You know what? I don't need to hear it.
All right, so Tori's gonna be staying with my mom for the next month and a half or so, and
Month
then
and a half, it's 3 months.
like I said, Tori's gonna be staying with my mom for the next 3 months, and then Trish, probably just Trish is gonna fly home from Alaska and move Tori into the dorm.
Yes.
So that's the plan. And you know what? I think Tori is you're looking forward to your adventure, yes?
Yeah.
I think the adventure of like starting to work and going to school is pretty exciting.
She's adulting.
She's adulting.
I'm adulting. Wait.
Yeah?
I'm adulting.
Tori's getting ready to start her big adventure, but we have to share with you just a couple little clips from Tori's graduation.
Look at this, 2018. It's amazing.
I'd like to thank Sunhills for allowing me to go online for the past 2 years, and for my parents to be able to take me everywhere and give me so many amazing experiences, along with all of my friends and family who have supported me this entire time. Thank you.
There were a lot of really great presentations and people who spoke.
And even her best friend who did a fabulous job.
Great job. But Tori,
knocked it out of the park.
yeah, it was really good. We are all very proud of Tori. Why don't you come over and share with everyone what Carson got you for a going away present?
My little brother gave me ramen as my graduation gift. Goodbye, Tori.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
You're gonna have the whole back seat to yourself.
Oh, the back seat? Wow, that's, whoa. I'll give up this and a stereo player and a super fluffy bed for a back seat any day. And this huge closet filled with a bunch of junk that you don't need. Oh my gosh. Who's my big sister? Ah! Wait, you have red balls? When did you get these? Oh my god.
Put them down.
Oh my gosh.
What is...
Stop. Oh my gosh, Adidas, stop! Fresh out the box! When I come back, I'm gonna be taller than you.
Okay.
Probably not.
You try that.
Probably not.
Let me show you my new closet.
This is his new closet, aka my dead closet.
Your dead closet? Let's see. Here, make the light go on. Look at all that.
Why is the light going on?
Oh, there it is. Oh, this is gonna be so nice.
You know what?
What?
You think that that's your closet, but
Yeah,
really,
it's mine.
In August!
Yay!
Okay, that was a funny joke. Now she's coming. Look. Ow. I love you. I love you too. You can call me anytime.
Hi. No. Follow me.
It's a pretty big chapter.
Yeah.
Don't you think? I think Tori's really excited to start her new adventure.
Crying, Mom?
going off to college.
Mom will cry when you go off to. Oh well, Carson's going off to camp.
Let's just take one at a time, okay?
Hey, on a serious note though.
Yeah.
We got to spend 2 solid years with Tori
Yes.
before she goes off to school. That's pretty cool.
That is very
Not a lot of people are able to do that. We're gonna regroup here, and then we have more to share on our trip north. It hasn't even been 2 minutes and Tori's already called.
So, how can I help you?
She needs money.
It's 3:06.
2 minutes after we left. Okay, here's the thing. Where are we headed, Trish?
Do we really know?
No, we don't know. BLM-ish, maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. We're headed at the Flagstaff. We're gonna tell you our destination. Moab tomorrow. Why we're going to Moab? You'll find out this weekend. Yeah, so we're gonna try to find a BLM location north of Flagstaff toward Moab. We're not entirely sure. So let me check with Nikki. She finds out all the cool spots. Not BLM, but Lone Rock is awesome. The Flagstaff. That's Damien. I just reached out to him on Instagram because I remember seeing I remember seeing a picture on his Instagram account of him. Can't talk. I remember seeing a picture of him BLMing on Flagstaff land.
I can even see the little ball bells. Okay, watch out for those branches.
Yeah, we do not want to hit one of those. So you're good with like right here?
Yeah.
And then watch, oh look at this.
Oh wait, it was green.
It was green? Look at that green. It's green. That's awesome. Isn't that awesome?
Yes.
Dad, you're so happy.
Well, I don't have to get out of the car and I know it's level.
Right, it's fantastic. Now I'm trying to decide, okay, so this is this way and this is this way.
Yeah, but I control up and down.
Right.
And I wanted to detach anyway.
So this is really exciting.
It's very exciting.
0.25 centimeters.
Look at that. Yeah. I'll tell you what, I am digging this BLM situation. Let's see what Trish thinks. What are you doing?
Hey.
No, we're going there.
Well,
Actually, no, never mind.
KYD Insider is a beekeeper, and he and his family sent honey.
Yeah.
Realized that Jared had named his beekeeping hivery. So anyway, the 2-acre apiary, and did you know that honey never goes bad? He taught me that. So when it crystallizes, just put it in some warm water, never microwave it.
Wow.
And it will melt all back up again, good as new. What's a better way to use honey than to make margaritas?
Sweet.
So I'm just mixing the honey with the warm tequila, room temperature tequila, to kind of melt it first before I put it on ice, and just add a little bit of lime juice and a little bit of bubbly water. And we will have a margarita. I need like a shaker.
Yeah, you do. Is this the margarita you learned to make in Mexico?
Yes. Because, you know, those are the 3 ingredients. You have limes, lots of tequila, lots of honey, surprisingly, tons of honey, it's really good there, and sparkling water all over the place.
What are you thinking of the whole BLM situation?
Well, this is amazing.
You realize
hold in here, we're not paying, and we're totally level. And we have lights. And I can take a shower tomorrow. That's not BLMing.
And you know what? I think it's really cool that on day 1, on season 5, we're using all the stuff that we did.
Oh, well, thank goodness, because that was a lot of work not to use it.
We were kind of wondering when we were doing this. Is it really necessary? But I'll tell you what, having the right tools changes behaviors. It changes your habits. And the reason that we don't BLM and the reason we don't dry camp very much is because it's fatiguing. It's fatiguing with the family. It's hard. And finally, after a while, we're like, let's just go to an RV park because it's easy.
Yeah.
But now that we have the amenities that we need, we don't mind being out here. No. And I love free. All about free.
I love free.
All right, by the way, this place is hopping. Let me go out and show you outside. There's RVs everywhere. There's like VWs with whipping lights. It's a lot going on. Okay, that's it for this evening. So we will catch you first thing in the morning as we continue to make our way to Moab. All right. She's taking her honorable seat, her driving seat. I think you're going to do most of the driving to Alaska. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. No doubt there. And so we wanted to share with you a few things that you could expect in season 5. Now, we do listen. The KYD community has awesome ideas.
Yes.
And in season 3, a lot of people were asking, like, well, what was the temperature? When were you there? I wish I would. Your videos run behind. I wish you were there. So we heard that message, and in season 4, almost without fail, we posted the date, the high and the low of the temperature.
Mm-hmm.
And we really enjoyed that. It's a little extra work, but it's fun. Okay, we want to take that to the next level for season 5. Alaska's so far away, and there's so much fuel. I would like to create a fuel log.
Yes.
Now, granted, it's going to be based upon this truck and this fuel economy and the prices of fuel.
But won't that be interesting to know what it actually costs?
I thought so it would be too. So what we're gonna do in season 5, as many times as I can, is we are going to create a fuel log. It's gonna look something like this. What I'm gonna do is a good job of every time we fill up, writing down a little log.
Mm-hmm.
How many gallons do we put in the tank? What's our current miles per gallon? And how many miles have we traveled? And I'll try to think of some other cool stuff in there. But that's what you can expect for this season. And of course, that would be leaving from Carefree, Arizona. We'll just say Scottsdale, Arizona, going to Alaska all season 5.
That's gonna be really fun.
I think it'll be
And then we
interesting.
can tally it up at the end.
Yeah. Have we told everyone what we're doing? No.
We'll have to find out. We'll get.
Okay, all right. Okay, so that's what you can expect for season 5. Right now we have 4 hours and 41 minutes until we get to Moab. We're gonna check in, and you're gonna find out what we're up to this Sunday. Hey there.
What do you have going on there?
Oh, this? That's for the next episode. Don't worry about that. All right, we found our dry camping accommodations for this evening. What is Trish doing? Trish, what are you doing?
Use that 2 help.
How much?
What do you have there? Are you making margaritas again?
You know, if you have the ingredients, it'd be a shame not to.
Right, so let me just show you around here. So this is a nice little secured lot in Moab. That little fenced off area. So we're just gonna camp in there tonight. And then this is where we're gonna meet everyone tomorrow morning. Well, I guess we're gonna meet everyone over at and then we're gonna relocate here at 7 in the morning. So next episode starts right here, Sunday, 6 p.m., which is actually 7 a.m. here. You get it. We'll see you there.